One of the smallest cats, the size of a very small pet cat. This species is pale brown with bold stripes, which thicken on the legs and merge into the all-black undersides of the feet. Prey is likewise small. For example, mice, insects from termites to locusts, spiders, small lizards, and birds. Well adapted to the Karoo, the Kalahari, and other arid regions of southern Africa, it seldom needs to drink water. Named for its short bob tail, this cat has a ruff-like facial medium-sized border. Mainly tawny in color, it always has some spots. They may be prominent all over or only on the underside. It hunts lagomorphs, such as cottontail rabbits in the south of its range and snowshoe hares farther north, but can survive on rodents, deer, and carrion. Its habitat varies from desert to mixed woodland and conifer forests. Also called the desert lynx because of its arid scrubby habitat, the caracal is tawny or reddish, although, as with many cats, occasional black, melanic, individuals occur. It is famed for its ability to spring 10 feet, 3 meters, vertically and to bat flying birds with its paw. Its main foods are rodents, hyraxes, hares, small antelopes, poultry, and other livestock. Black-edged, darker centered, irregular elliptical clouds, on a tawny, gray, or silver background, give this smallest of the big cats its name. Information on this extremely elusive species is scarce, but its climbing skills rival many small cats, and it stalks, avoids danger, and rests mainly in trees. Prey includes monkeys, gibbons, birds, porcupines, and young wild boar and deer on the ground. Its principal threats are loss of its forest habitat and hunting for fur and meat. Primarily a cat of mixed forest, this lynx has been driven by human presence and persecution to more open woods and rocky mountain slopes. However, it still has one of the widest ranges of all cat species. Its major prey is deer, goats, sheep, and similar hoofed mammals up to 4 times its own size, but, if these are lacking, it hunts hares and picot. Olive gray with black markings and a short tail, the fishing cat is mostly confined to rivers, lakes, marshes, and coastal mangrove swamps. However, its adaptations to water are largely behavioral. Its toes are only slightly webbed, and its teeth are not especially suited to grasping slipper prey. Locally common, its population may suffer due to its dependence on water edge habitats as wetlands are affected by drainage, intensive agriculture, human habitation, and pollution. Geoffroy's cat, which is sometimes called Geoffroy's ocelot, prefers scrub and shrub to forest and open grassland. It hunts in the branches, on the ground, and in water, for frogs and fish as well as the usual small cat fare of rodents, lizards, birds, and the introduced brown hare. Now protected, this species was hunted for its yellow-brown to silver-gray fur after the trait in ocelot fur declined in the 1980s. More mustelied than felid in overall proportions, with a pointed snout, long body, and shortish legs, the jaguarundi has several color forms of unpatterned fur, from black mainly in forests, to pale gray-brown or red in dry shrubland. This cat hunts by day, often on the ground, in habitats ranging from semi-arid scrub to rainforest and swamp. Its main prey are birds, rodents, rabbits, reptiles, and invertebrates. The margay has exceptional climbing abilities because of its almost reversible rear feet, being able to run headfirst down a trunk or hang from a bough by one paw. Its mainly tree-dwelling prey includes rats, mice, squirrels, possums, young sloths, small birds, and invertebrates such as grubs and spiders. It also occasionally eats fruits. The margay is nocturnal, resting in the safety of a tree fork by day. The gestation period is 76 to 85 days and litter size is 1, rarely 2. Surviving on fluids in its food and very little additional water, the blunt-clawed sand cat digs well for its main prey of gerbils and similar rodents, as well as an occasional lizard or snake. It also excavates a den for daytime shelter. The average litter of 3 grows quickly and may be independent in just 6 months. Resembling a small cheetah, with its lean body and long limbs, the serval has yellowish fur with dark spots. It prefers to live among reeds and rushes fringing wetlands. Here it hunts rats and similar prey, helping to control rodents and thereby aiding farmers. Servals rarely attack livestock. The average litter of 2 young is born after 73 days gestation. The chain-like rosettes and spots on this cat's body are highly distinctive. Typically cat-like in its nocturnal, solitary, tree-climbing lifestyle, the ocelot is wide-ranging and adaptable, living in a variety of habitats from grassland to swamp, as well as most types of forest. It takes a huge variety of prey, chiefly small rodents but also birds, lizards, fish, bats, and larger animals such as monkeys, turtles, young deer, armadillos, and anteaters. The ocelot has a gestation period of 79 to 85 days and an average litter size of 3, range 1 to 2. Females breed from 2 years of age, males from about 21 halves years.